Okay, here's Ken, and today I'm going to test the navigation interface from Centigrade for this 2015 and 2016 Ford Edge. And now let's go in the car and see the interface in the vehicles. So our technician has already installed the navigation interface in this vehicle, and this is a plug and play unit to the original system, and also it keeps all the original system functions and controls after you install the the navigation interface piece. And before you install, now let's take a look at the original UI. Before you install, here it says information. But now after you install the piece, it will say navigation and more. We overlay a new icon here to access to the navigation interface piece. So when you hit, you go directly to the interface page, and as you can see, all the all the UI designs and the colors, things like that, are exactly same as the original. So you lose no any functions after you install. And now you got new features for iGo Map. You can go directly to the iGo Map, and you can use the iGo Map for for navigating, and you can exit the map. And the second feature is the OBD information. You get the OBD information like this. So if you switch the gear, it tells you directly. And also if you put into reverse, you also get your original cameras working, and also the the trajectory guideline. Okay, so here's the, and also you get the speed and the the RPM. And after you go back, you have another new feature, is the HDMI phone mirroring. So after I connected a cell phone to the system, and after you connect it, it will light up this video icon here, and you can just click the new icon, and now you get the access to your phone. So if I go to Waze, you can use Waze or Google Map or Apple Map. You can do the landscape if the the cell phone support to do the apps support to do the landscape, and the response is very fast, and it is high resolution digital. And you can also play a song or something from the cell phone. It's okay. It's get the audio and the videos from your cell phone as well. So you tap the screen and you take you right back to the home screen. And another one is the auxiliary. This one is for the auxiliary input for the audio and video. And also you have the EQ settings. This is the EQ setting for 10 bands. Is very useful for the music. And also as you can see, when I adjust the volume, it will also appear the volume status on our interface. So if you adjust the temperature, the AC controls, you see, it also shows you the AC status here, and also the temperature low, and the fan speed, as well as the steering wheel control. So if you adjust the volume, you can still see the volume status here, and all the all the original controls from steering wheel still functioning as before you install the piece. So this will be pretty much more. And then if you have any further questions, you can get back to me on the emails behind the video, or in the content of the the video introduction. Okay, thank you.